everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do this winged eye look. So first I'm going to be starting off with the Plouise base, and I'm just going to be carving out my eyebrows and putting that all over my eyelid just to, you know, we've got a nice base going on. Now I'm going to be sticking down some sellotape, and we're just going to be putting that from the outer corner of your eye to the end of your eyebrow. Make sure that to do that on the both sides of the eyes, make sure they're symmetrical. And we're just going to start by lining where we want the wing to end and kind of marking it up. So now you just want to kind of fill in the area. Also making sure to be careful going along the top of your eye, keeping the same thickness and not getting any thicker, because I know I've done that a few times and it looks horrible. Now you just want to remove the sellotape, and if you do find that your wings are not even at all then you can just go in with some concealer and kind of sharpen up a little bit and, you know, make them a bit more neater. Now you just want to blend that out with a beauty blender and then get some setting powder and just go over the top of that so there's no patchiness going on. And I'm just going to be grabbing the Maybelline Last Sensational mascara, favourite mascara, and I'm just going to be coating my top and bottom eyelashes. Now this is totally optional, but I'm going to be using the Collection Gem Crystal, I think that's what it was. Anyway, it's just a glittery eyeliner. And you can put it wherever you want, but I usually put it under the wing and in my inner corners. And then for the final step, you just want to go ahead and add some brow highlight. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please make sure to subscribe down below and also like this video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye everyone.